Hi guys, it's Kaseymariemua here, and I am, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a Boxycharm review on the products. I'm wearing the products right now, and if you've seen my Instagram, wait a sec, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will have the link to my Instagram down below. And also, if you've seen my Instagram, you've seen I did a mini tutorial on this cute little look right here. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Let me know what you guys think about these Boxycharm reviews / try-ons or whatever these videos might be. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right down there. It's free. You can watch for free. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. So anyways, let's get right in. Alright guys, this is what Boxycharm looks like if you guys have not seen it before. It comes in this cute little box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, not like what was it? Ipsy, where you get like sample sizes. These are full-size products. So that is one thing I definitely like about Boxycharm. You guys know this month is called Vacation. They always have like a cute little theme going on, and the back of this card will tell you prices and how much each item is worth. This is like a $115 box worth of product, so I thought that's pretty cool because literally the subscription is $21 or $22 maybe with tax, and you got $100 worth of product for free. That brand you normally wouldn't try out, you tried out, and also trying out different shades of things as well. South Main under eye gels, they retail for $10. Our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They are softened and moisturized to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. So when I use these, I mean, I feel like not so much as like a gimmick, but I feel like I didn't think they were gonna work. If you watched in my Instagram tutorial, little mini tutorial I guess, I used them when I was doing my eyeshadow, and I like them. It came with a lot of like juices, if that makes sense. It was a little bit messy, like fell on my table and stuff, but I put it under my eyes while I was doing it, and I feel like it got rid of kind of like the plumpiness of my eye. I'll show you what one would look like. You get 3 in this package. Again, it's $10. The little pouches, and it says underneath it for the instructions, thoroughly cleanse eye area, apply this product under eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, use promptly after opening for best results, use 3 consecutive days. So I guess that's why they send you 3, is because the best way to do it is to use this 3 days in a row. So I'm not going to open it so I can save it for later. This is what they looked like when I did it, are these little jelly-like things, and then they just go right underneath your eyes, and I just left them there while I did my eyeshadow, and I was like, these are lame, these aren't gonna work, because I got like these lip ones before, and I feel like they did nothing, so I thought it was lame. But when I did them, I feel like a lot of the puffiness and stuff went down on my eyes, so I'm not opposed. I mean, they're only $10. Why not? Okay, this is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. This retails for $26. Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This Silk Smoothie formula, this is long wearing and highly pigmented. So I thought the packaging was really cute. I think it's adorable. Let's focus. So yeah, I think the packaging is really adorable. What I don't like is this bright color on my face. I don't like use this color of blush much on my face, let alone blush at all. I mean, I try to hide the redness, stop, bring it back. Anyways, so I just thought this color was a little too much for me personally. So I mean, I didn't love the color. Super excited for when I watch little spoilers sometimes because I am not a good girl, is the the Complexion Authority. It's an eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36, and this is what it looks like. This is transition palette, can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature Silky Smooth Ultra Mattes are paired with pretty pinks and vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus, you can layer the shimmer shades for a dual chrome finish. So I really love getting palettes. I feel like I would use every shade besides Boxy Black. I don't really like using that color very much. It's not very cute. But I feel like the shades are really cute. I really love the top row, of course. But again, who doesn't love getting a free palette? Because I'm down. So that was one of them. Again, that retailed for $36. And then the next thing is the Vintage Cosmetic Company, which is Smoky Eye Makeup Brushes. And these retail for $23.15. Weird price. So let's just open it. We got, in our Boxycharms last month, we got brushes. I mean, I like getting new brushes, but I mean, it was kind of too soon to incorporate that again into the Boxycharm. But whatevs. God. So this is what they look like. They're pretty standard, straightforward. They're kind of boring looking, to be honest, if you can. So they have little sayings on them. It says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. I mean, I can always use a brush, but I mean, $23 for these 3. I mean, I can go and get e.l.f. brushes for $1, and I would like something different, but whatever. Again, these retail for $23.15. Don't forget that 15. The last thing, but not least, is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, which is $20. It says was formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. You know, I didn't use this in my little mini tutorial, so I don't know how it works yet. But let's just open it. I hope, yeah. I'm like, why would they send mascara in anything but black? So I'm happy. So yeah, it's in black. Now $20 for a mascara for me, for somebody, maybe I'm an idiot, I don't know, because I've never heard of Bella Pierre. I have no idea. But I feel like there's drugstore mascaras that are, I mean, I don't know. I haven't used this before. It's literally just a basic wand. If you can see, just a basic wand. So I don't know. I don't know very mascaras that really just do it for me in general, that are just like, this is amazing. So I always go with drugstore mascaras because I feel like they're just as great. Like, I love the Paradise Lash, the L'Oreal one. So, I mean, I wouldn't pay 20 bucks for this if I didn't get it in my Boxycharm. So, if that tells you anything. Thank you guys so much for watching my review on my Boxycharm this month in March subscription. And yeah, I know you did not watch this whole freaking video and you're not going to subscribe. That is so rude. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you get all the notifications of when I do my uploads. And go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you guys are liking these Boxycharm review videos. So without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.